Alright, well, this is the last part of the installation of the polyurethane bushings that I have for my Infiniti G35. On the control arm, which is this piece here, at least the driver's side control arm, I could not remove the ball joint here from its socket. So I went out and I purchased a new one. These are available on Amazon for about 50 bucks each. Actually, this one was a warehouse deal that had been bought previously by someone else, so I got it for about 25 bucks. Can't beat that. So the one that's on the car, I'm going to cut off here at the ball joint with a Dremel, and that way I'll be able to remove the one that's on the car, and then I'll replace it with this one. But this one's got obviously the stock bushing, so I'm going to press out this stock bushing, and I don't really care if I damage it. I don't intend to ever use it again, so I'll just press this out, and then I will remove the stock control arm from the car by cutting it off. And then if I damage this ball joint in the process, no big deal, because obviously I have a new piece. So that's the way I'll fix the problem. And so right now I'm just going to set up my press tool here with appropriate pieces to be able to press the old bushing out. Okay, here's my setup. So I got the bushing piece. It's going to be pushed through that way by this piece, and then this cup right here fits around the complete bushing, and then it'll end up inside of here when it's removed. Obviously this doesn't go through all the way, so after I get this pushed far enough out, I'm going to have to find a different piece to fit here to push it the rest of the way, but it'll already be halfway out by that point, and it'll be a lot easier to press through. So I've pressed it as far as I can with this piece. As you can see, it bottomed out right there, so I've got it probably about halfway through, and now I'm going to find a long nut or a long bolt that'll fit through both sides, fit around the cup here, and then it'll pull it the rest of the way through. Then that'll get rid of this C-clamp piece, and then obviously it won't hit over here. So you can see it's about halfway out right there. So now I got a bolt going all the way through. I got this other cup here, and I'll just tighten this down. As I tighten this down, it'll pull the bushing the rest of the way out. Piece of cake. Okay, as you can see, the bushing is out. Came out nice and clean. No problem there. And here's the old one. It's not in bad shape, but I probably wouldn't want to reuse it just because I did have to push on the rubber here to get it out, and if it focuses, you can kind of see that there's like a hairline crack. There we go, focus. You can see there's like a hairline crack that formed around it, but I wasn't going to reuse this anyway, so that's trash. Alright, now next part is out at the car to take off the old one. That's probably going to be a problem, but we'll figure it out.